ɪ଼laɪd. To omit, leave out, or deliberately remove a word, sound, or passage. To omit or suppress a sound in pronunciation. The editor chose to ɪ଼laɪd several unnecessary paragraphs from the article. In casual speech, many English speakers ɪ́laɪd certain vowel sounds. ɪ́laɪd comes from the Latin elidere, meaning to strike out or knock out. In grammar and linguistics, elision is common in everyday speech. For example, I am is often pronounced as I'm, where sounds are elided.